All right, we have here a 10 by 36 clausing engine lathe. It's a model number 4914. It has a swing over bedway of 10 1/4 inches. And the distance between centers is 36 inches. It's got a tailstock with a 2 MT in it. And also it's got 54 feed rates from 0.0367 to 0.00063 inches. Also on top here is a collet enclosure with 8 collets, and they go from 1/16 all the way down up to 1 inch. Also has a new 5-inch 3-jaw chuck that was zeroed in, and it's a 1 horsepower motor that's currently wired at 220 volts. It'll also go to 440 volts. All right, she's in forward right now in high gear, and I'm going to start her up. In low gear, rather, excuse me. She's in low gear, and I'm going to use the feed rates to change. Come over here in the apron. I'm going to engage the apron first. You can see the wheels feeding. The clutch is very good on this particular machine. And also feed the apron while you're cross feeding. It's done by moving this lever. So now we're cross feeding in, and the apron's moving in. And also do the opposite. So the clutch is good both directions. Disengage the cross feed. Disengage the apron so it's in neutral. Now it's back to manual. Now I'm going to come over and get her out of the back gear. Get her into high speed. This machine doesn't have a manual brake, it has an internal built-in brake, so you have to let her slow on her own. And I'm going to put it in reverse at high speed also.